Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can transfer contacts from Android to Android. So if you got a new Android phone and don't want to lose your contacts, good news, transferring contacts from Android to Android is super easy. And here I'm going to show you the best and safest ways to do it. So before we start, you need to make sure that both phones are charged and you're signing into a Google account, and also you have a stable internet connection. So the first method, you can transfer contacts using the Google account. This is the best method and recommended one. So on your old phone, you can just go to the settings and choose accounts and Google, and in here you need to make sure that contact sync is turned on, as you guys can see here. And now on your a new Android phone, you can just sign in with the same Google account. Just wait for a few minutes and your contacts will automatically appear. And the second method, you can transfer contacts using SIM card. So on your old phone, you can open contacts like this, and then you can move or import or export the contacts into your SIM card, and move the SIM card to your new phone and then import the contacts from the SIM. You can also exporting contacts as a VCF file. Export the file on your old phone and then send it via Bluetooth, email, or Google Drive. Open the file on your new phone and import the contacts. So that's how you can transfer contacts from Android to Android. If this helped, click on the thumbs up, subscribe, and comment. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to also click on the thanks, and I'll see you in the next one.